YouTube. Well, today we're in Portugal. It's absolutely boiling. 30 degrees. We're in a place called Praia Da Luz. It's about an hour west of Faro Airport, about 3 miles west of Lagos. Very nice place indeed. We've been coming here for the best part of 10 years now. Know very well. So I'll just show you around the main beach area. Let's have a look. Right. So it's quite a large village, almost. Praia Da Luz. There's not any real centre, so to speak. Most things are spread out quite a bit. So just coming down the hill now towards the beachfront. So on our left here is the church you may well recognise from a certain incident that's happened here a few years back. So we go down the hill. So now we're right here now is the Fortaleza da Luz. So this was the old fort protecting the village here from the attacks of the Moors back in those days. A very famous building in these parts. Earlier this year, in fact, on their Facebook page they had the President of Portugal there having his dinner. So you walk now onto the front. Now look at this for a view on the left now. Here we are. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. So to the left there's the main beach area. You've got this rocky outcrop here. In the evenings it's sort of full of people and kids enjoying themselves and fishing and jumping off the rocks. So we get a better view now of the Fortaleza da Luz, or Luz as they pronounce it here. The grand building, very nice restaurant indeed as well. We look to our right, to the west. Lovely, absolutely gorgeous. Yeah, lovely. So let's continue our walk down along the beachfront. Oh. So out of the dozen or so times that we've been here, this is the first time we've actually been in the school holidays. It was a peak season, so we were lucky enough to be able to go out of the season before, but now the children are a bit bigger since the pandemic. We're tied to the school holidays now, so it's a lot busier than we're used to. So it's August at the moment, so you need to book to get into most restaurants, whereas out of the season you just rock up. But you're spoilt for choice here. There's it's full of good places to eat and drink, but I would say they are dotted around a bit. There's a couple of areas where they're packed in close together, like we'll see in a minute. But yeah, you won't go hungry or thirsty here. No. Just walk alongside this promenade now. So Ah, it's better view of the rocks with our view here. Look at that. Beach full of water sports happening. There's jet skis there on the go till dusk really. Yeah. In the evenings there's a lovely atmosphere. Down by here you get the odd busker or what have you, and the guitar, and the bars have a singer or some sort of entertainment. Ah, very nice. Let's turn around and have a talk for a bit. So the way we usually get here is we get EasyJet Bristol to Faro, and then we hire a car, but you can't get a transfer in a private taxi. It's probably £180, so you could do it that way if you wanted, but we like the freedom and be able to get out and about there. But yeah, it's got everything there, you know. What's not to like? So we're right down on the beach now, so let's have a look. Here you are, all sunning themselves, look. On the left now we've got bars and cafes coming up. Wonderful. Right. So these we're on prime location here. These bars, and there used to be the galley, it's called something else now, up above there. It's quite a calm bay, although there's a bit of a shelf. The sea gets deep quite quick, and it's not the warmest being in the Atlantic rather than across in Spain in the Med, but it's a lovely bit of sea to go in. Kids love it. So look from this way. Look at this. Tremendous. Oh, it's a nice good singer here, look.
You're so far away from me. You're so far I just can't see.
Oh, this place when we left now. Cracking pizzas in here. The endless summer. Here, endless summer. I had a few pizzas and a couple of cocktails in there over the years. So down on the beach there's a couple of places where you can get a umbrella and sun lounger if you want, but what's nice is rammed full of them. And if you're like us, like we just like to bring a towel, and yeah. So look, you've got all the stalls here. Get hair braided, look. What's nice, I think, about this area is you always seem to get a bit of a nice breeze. You're not sat in a sweat box, so it might just be luck. It's been windy whenever you seem to come here, or that might be the actual climate. Oh, lovely. Alright. A couple more nice places here. In front of us here is the Paraiso, right on the beach. So that's recently been reconstructed. Grand job they done too. Looks right over the beach there. Absolutely lovely. So we are at the end of the beach part now. Let's have a look. Absolutely grand, I'm sure you agree. That's more or less it for the beach, so we'll just head up by here and I think that'll be the end of our little walk through. There's a couple of cracking bars here, Bar Habana and Lazulu next door to each other. Very good value and always good bit of nosh. This place Fabrica here, a bit more fine dining, but very nice nonetheless. More cafes. Okay, so that's our quick tour of the main drag. So yeah, don't be fooled at the figure that's all there is to see here, because there's all sorts and there's a lot more places for dining and drinking, and it's all spread out a bit. But yeah, hope you like our whistle stop tour of Lewes Beachfront. I'll catch you soon, folks, back in Milford Haven, where it's currently 40-mile-per-hour gales and torrential rain. So, au revoir, see you soon.